How to log out of all devices on Roblox account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now for this process, all you have to do is go to your browser. I'm going for Google Chrome, and over here now just search for roblox.com and it will land you to the homepage of Roblox application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now after logging into your account, all you have to do is tap on the gear icon, which is at the top right corner. Then tap on settings. Then just scroll down and you can also see the option of security on the left side menu bar as you turn onto the desktop side in your device. So just tap on security, and here you can see the option of where you are logged in at the bottom. So you can see the option of log out of all other sessions. So you can just tap on that, log out, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.